Do you need a new car key and remote for your Ford Escape?
I've got a solution for you that can save you big money over the prices car dealerships are charging. And the best thing is, you only need one key to program up to 4 keys for your vehicles. Now I called around and was quoted over $280 for new car key. If you're tired of rip-off car dealership prices, smash the like button to help YouTube share this video with others. I was tired of rip-off prices from car dealerships, so I started Tom's Key Company to help people save money. Visit tomskey.com to see the many vehicles we can help program new car keys and remotes for. Using the Simple Key Programmer is super easy. Place your order, and within a few days, your Simple Key Programmer will arrive in the mail with 1 key. If you need additional keys, you can order those through Tom's Key as well. The first thing you need to do is get your new key cut to match your existing one. Before leaving the locksmith, check that your newly cut key works both ways. Turn it over. You'll find occasionally they don't work, like this key. So you want to go back in and get them to fix it. It's important for you to know there are 2 parts to programming your key. First, the chip to allow the key to start the engine, and second, to program the buttons to lock and unlock the doors. Let's get started by programming the key to start the engine. First thing we got to do is get this cable plugged into the OBD2 port right down here. Remove the security label from your programmer, find your vehicle in the instruction booklet, and turn to the primary dial position. A few vehicles have a secondary position if the first one doesn't work. Set the Simple Key Programmer to the position for your vehicle. Programming will take about 10 minutes. If the weather's hot, roll down some windows because the doors need to stay closed and the vehicle turned off during programming. Also, turn off the lights, the heating or cooling, the radio, anything else so you don't drain the vehicle battery. Insert the new key you just had cut and turn it 2 clicks to the on position. Don't start the engine, but the dashboard will light up. Plug the programmer into the extension cable. It may take a little bit of force. Use care not to push the button on the end while you're plugging it in. Press the button on the end of the programmer to begin the key programming process. Programmer will beep briefly to let you know programming has started. Wait 10 minutes for the programming to finish. You might want to set a timer. You might consider if you want to pick up a tile key finder and make sure you never lose your car keys. This is also a great time to set up the app. It's really simple. Get in there and get started. Okay, hear the beeping? Unplug the programmer, remove the key from the ignition, then test your new key by starting the engine. If it didn't work, repeat the procedure again. There are also troubleshooting instructions inside the owner's manual. It includes a number of suggestions to solve problems, and there's an 800 number if you still need technical support. We aim to provide great customer service. Now that we've programmed the key to work, it's time to program the buttons. Press unlock on the driver's door. Turn the ignition from off to on 8 times within 10 seconds, leaving it in the on position on the 8th time. And insert your key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The door locks will cycle to let you know the vehicle is ready to program new remotes. Leaving the key in the ignition, press any button on the first remote. This is probably the key you already have in the ignition. The door locks will cycle, letting you know the remote is programmed. Then press any button on each remote. The locks will cycle, confirming each remote is programmed to your vehicle. Once all remotes are paired, remove the key from the ignition to exit programming mode. Test all remotes to ensure they are working. If any are not working, repeat the procedure. If you're running into problems, remember we provide exceptional customer service. We recommend you start by looking in your instruction manual at the frequently asked questions section. That can solve many problems. If you're still running into challenges, call the 800 number listed in the booklet to reach technical support. The Simple Key Programmer we sell at Tom's Key Company makes it super easy to program a new key and remote buttons for your vehicle, including Ford Escape years 2008 through 2012. This process works for many Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, even ones with keys and remotes like this. Find the full list on tomskey.com. If somehow it doesn't work for your vehicle, reach out to us via email, help@tomskey.com. If we still can't solve your problem, no worries. Our full money-back guarantee has you covered. Send everything back in its original packaging and you'll get your money refunded. I really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. That really does help YouTube let others know that we're making videos that people find helpful. Please leave a comment on this video about your experience with Tom's Key Company so other people know how it worked for you.
Visit tomskey.com, find your Ford Escape, and place an order for the Simple Key Programmer Kit. You'll be programming that new key soon.
Thanks and have a great day.